Hi, second grade. So today, Michaela and Jordan went on a scavenger hunt to find some objects so they can describe their shapes to you. Okay, so let's start with Michaela.
So this is a pyramid.
A pyramid, what kind of a pyramid is
It
it?
is a triangular pyramid.
How do you know?
Because the base, which is right here, is a triangle, and since it's a triangle, we call it a triangular pyramid
Mm-hmm.
because of the
The
shape,
shape
of
of
the
the
base.
base. The base is the bottom, and then the sides are.
You have three triangles, and the triangles all meet to a point, which is also called a vertex.
Good. Okay, so next, Jordan.
This is a cylinder. It has two faces, curved edges, and
It has no edges and
no vertices.
no vertices. Good. Okay.
So
Michaela?
next we have a rectangular prism. It has, let's count. We have one.
Here, I'll hold it. You
Yeah.
count.
We
Go
have
ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Six.
which
Six
is on the
what?
back. 6 faces.
6 faces.
And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices.
Good. And last but not least, we have our exercise ball,
Which is a sphere.
which is a sphere. It has no what?
Faces, no edges, no vertices, no
Flat
Flat
sides,
sides.
right? And it's all
All
completely
round.
round. All right, guys, have fun looking for your objects.